Welcome to my channel on how to recreate everything from simple shapes to complex effects. Like and share this video so YouTube shows it to more audience. In today's video I will recreate this cool looking poster. Let's go right into Adobe Illustrator and make a new document. First I make a rectangle for the background and copy, paste my colors and gradient from another file. Now select the background rectangle and with eyedropper tool, click on the color we want for the background. Like the poster on the left, we need some circles with a gradient, so we create a circle and apply the gradient with eyedropper tool. And with the shape selected, I change the gradient angle to be 45 degrees. If you can't find the gradient window, go to the window in the menu and enable gradient. Now we make pattern to use in the background. Go to the object menu and select make under pattern. I change the tile type to brick by row and double the width and height. And done, we made the background pattern. I copy and paste the background rectangle so we can apply the pattern to it. In the swatches window I select the new pattern. I don't like the way the pattern is, so I make the rectangle bigger and expand our rectangle. Now I make another copy from background to make a clipping mask for the circles. With both the circles and rectangle selected, we go to Object menu and select Make under Clipping Mask. Now I move and rotate the circles until I am satisfied. Before I make the main element of the poster, I'm going to add some detail to the corners. Now we make the box for our text, but we don't want to change the background accidentally, so we lock all the layers in the Layer tab. For the text I'm using a bold text with simple shapes, so I can stretch it more easily. I change the size of the font to be bigger, and its color to be white. Now we expand the text so we get access to the individual shapes of the text. And with Direct Selection tool, we make a selection halfway through to the O, and we move the part we selected to stretch the O. Now with the Selection tool, double-click on the O so we can select it alone. We go to the Effect menu and select Radial Blur under the blur. I change the position and amount of the blur and hit OK. But it doesn't look like the poster, so in the Properties tab I click on the effect I applied to change its values, and change the blur method to be zoom. Now it looks like the poster. I repeat the same process for the other texts with the focus of the blur set to different positions. Now I change the size and location of the text until I like it, and group them all together so I can align them to the center of the artboard. And for the finishing touch I add some small texts to the empty edges. And done. Hope you like this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this.